For this EOD, you need to identify a couple of entities such as song, okay, I would say album is one as well, recording, and track. You may be wondering, track and song are the same. Well, technically they're not, because a track is a song. Not all songs may be referred to as tracks. So the term track refers to a type of recorded song, particularly its album or its place in an album. So okay, I would draw song here. I would say recording. I would say album. And I would say track. Then I could say a song is captured on a recording. Recording is released on a track. And I could say for this one, many tracks contain, or I could say many tracks are on one album. Yeah. Or an album contains many tracks. So yeah, I'd say, let me draw the lines. I could say one song, or many recordings are captured on one song. So many and one. For track to be released on a recording, one recording is released on many tracks. Many tracks are released on one recording. Many tracks can be released on one recording. Yep. For this one, we could say one album contains many tracks. So there's no many to manys. If there were many to manys, we would just decompose them and get rid of them. Alright, your chen notation, your dot notation. So does a song need to be a recording to be a song? No. Does a recording have to be a song to be a recording, or require a song? Yes, that's the reason why the dot goes inside. The dot is outside, the dot goes inside here. Does a track need a recording to be a track? No. Or yes, is what I wanted to say. Does a track need a recording to be a track? Yes. Does a recording need to be a track to be a recording? Probably not. Does one album need many tracks to be an album? No. Do many tracks need an album to be many tracks? Yes, that's the reason we put the dot inside. Okay, that's my entity relationship diagram for the scenario that was shown in the previous video. Go back to the previous video, look at that scenario, read it again, then come back to this video. And then after this video, watch the 6th video where I show you all the table types, including the primary key, foreign key, the song, album, recording, and track, and whatever. Alright, that's it for this tutorial video. I'll see you guys in the 6th video. Thanks for now.